Hello to all of my divine viewers. My name is Divinely Couth, C-O-U-T-H, because you can't spell it either. We back with another video. For those of you who don't know me, let me formally introduce myself. I go by Couth. I live in a camper full time. The camper is a 2013 Chaparral. Today's video is going to be a adventure time video. It's going to be something very fun. I'll be going to a really dope location. That great place to go and think, catch a vibe, chill, maybe do a little photo shoot. I've done a shoot out here before, or out there before. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'm still growing my channel, so each like and each subscription means a lot to me. Please join the become a part of the Divine Gang. Once you subscribe, once you like, and then boom, you're a part of the Divine Gang. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Hey guys, so we've made it to the water. It's super nice. Sitting on the rock, about to eat some food. Lake Lanier also has a beachfront where you can swim. I will not swim in Lake Lanier. I would not advise others to swim in Lake Lanier. They also have like a water park, so it has like the slide. So guys, this is just my chill area. This is the view. So yeah, this is my little setup. Lake Lanier is in the northern part of Georgia. It is a man-made lake. The lake was formed in the 1950s to supply water and hydroelectricity to the city of Atlanta.